Okay, we're going to talk about a project today, or should I say a subject today, which seems to be overlooked, and overlooked again. I think we get the idea now. What I'm actually wanting to talk about is Google Books and how it is just completely and utterly not working with any text-to-speech program. Now, as a vision impaired person, this is not good at all. As a matter of fact, I find it terrible. Now, just to sort of give you a clear idea of what we're talking about today, is because I'm vision impaired, I rely on a program called Please Read 2003. There it is, like magic. Now, I'll just get rid of all that stuff to give you a basic gist of what it is. Whatever you type in here, it will read out. Okay, I've put that in. Let's have a listen.
Whatever you type in here, it will read out aloud.
Okay, now you get the idea, right? So basically, you can put text in here from any location at all. Now, I'll go to this Word document here. This is just a bit of a verse I've typed up for my blog about the weather about a month ago, about the El Nino thing. So we're just going to copy this across. I'll just get rid of that. And I'll paste that in here. Let's turn that down a tad so it doesn't become overbearing over the speaker. Here we go.
Could we be saved from the El Nino monster? Back in March, the combination of satellite data and sea temperature maps were telling us that we were going to be in for another El Nino.
So you get the idea. It just basically reads out whatever I put in here. Let's go down here and get the idea.
In a normal year, such temperatures are flat across the entire ocean with very little fluctuation from area to area.
So basically, I've copied that in from Word and it just reads it out. Now, not only from Word, but I can also do this from websites. See, here we go. We've got the Vision Australia website here, which seems to have a load of too much scripting, but we won't get into that. We're just going to try and just copy this text here, like that. See, I've copied it, just highlighted it here. Okay, so there we go. I've highlighted it. Now I'm going to copy it. Copy, and I'm going to dump it in here. So I've dumped it in here, and then I can play it and listen to it.
There are many different strategies used by people who are blind or have low vision that assist with enhancing their independence and safety at home and in the community. Daily activities can be modified and different techniques used to enable a person with vision loss to participate in activities that are important to them.
Right, there you go. See, it reads it out, and I can read any part of this. I'll go down here.
To help you move around the community, our orientation and mobility service can help.
There you go. So you get the idea, right? So I can copy stuff in here from Word, from a website, absolutely anything. Now, this brings us to our big problem. Very big problem. Well, here we go. We go to Google Books. This is where our big problem is. This text here, very interesting book about radio broadcasting, but I do that. I can't copy the text. Going through the menus here, that just, if you want to paste a link to a website to this actual page, that's no good. That just opens up the view, so it's a widescreen view, but there's actually, I can magnify out, magnify in, like that, but still, there is no facility here to copy the text. That's favourites, if you want to select favourite books, what you're reading now. To read, if you want to put in a list of books that you wish to read in the future, but come down here, cannot copy the text. I can try Alt and A. See, that just highlights the thing up here, but all the text here is nothing. Can't do anything about it. So copy that, and then I'll go back here into my program. Yeah, I get the same text as before from the Vision Australia website.
There are many different strategies used by people who are blind or have low vision.
So, as I said, Google Books is just a total no-goer for someone who's just completely and utterly vision impaired. Now, I do believe they do have text-to-speech for those who have a mobile device like an iPhone, an Android, or whatever it is. But hey, we're all not up with the latest gizmos and gadgets and what you would say. So yeah, this is just basically to highlight a very big annoyance with Google Books, that they don't have any support for people who use other text-to-speech software. And yeah, that's basically all I've got to say for today, and I hope that Google will do something about it.